Welcome back, guys, to Fish Tucker Man. I haven't been on the ocean fishing, I reckon maybe almost 2 months. I've just been stuck in the river, go for tailor, which I did enjoy, but just factors limited my ability to get out in the ocean. So I'm actually excited. Anyway, let's get into it. I feel like it's Christmas. I haven't even caught anything yet. Let's do it. Not very pretty out here, I'll tell you what. That's why I'm going to go to an old spot here just south of Fremantle Fishing Harbour. Stay nice and close. Then might venture off later on. But it looks good, the water's look pretty clean. So, definitely good calamari day. Whew, that wind. See, definitely a southerly. Definitely need a sea anchor. Alright, so definitely windy enough to put the sea anchor out. Using a really old squid jig. It's a natural colour. Yeah, calamari on. Oh, nice heavy one too. That was good. Didn't take too long. Oh, it feels really good. So that's great. We've got a bad, oh, he's just on the leg, so I've said it so many times. Very regular to the show, sorry for my repetitiveness, but just trying to explain to you how delicate these calamari are. And he's just on that leg. Oh, yeah, that's it. It's so delicate that if he was to reverse at full pelt, and if I didn't give him any room, he would have either snapped his leg off, escaped, and I would have been a bit sorry for myself. That's a really nice, fine specimen of a calamari. And he's a male species because he's quite long along the tube, especially around here. So there you go. Not bad. First 5 minutes. Fresh calamari. Some of these tentacles I'll be using for bait later on, but I'm going to keep going. Yeah, beauty. Whoop. Got some ice. So that was good. Yeah, and I love this squid jig. It's as I said, it's a natural coloured pattern. It's a clear body, even though it's cloudy. But I mean, most colours squid jigs will catch the calamari. The trick is just trying to get in the right zone. We're drifting a fair bit. I didn't have to even like work the jig because I'm getting my other rig ready, and they almost hooked themselves up. So I'll leave this one here. Water's nice and clean, so I'm pretty excited about what I'm doing here is actually getting my rig ready for fish, King George whiting. My sinker isn't that heavy because we're actually very shallow water, I think it's 4 or 5 metres. That's the pattern right there. I'll just get some of that squid tentacle on here. Even though I got some frozen one from home, but when you got fresh one, definitely use it. Oh. Yeah, so with the squid jig, I'll keep on letting line out. So we are moving a fair bit. This fresh brait's is fantastic. The only bad thing is, this place is renowned for other bycatchers. So I don't want to waste my bait. Just never know. This is what I want. Bit of sand, bit of weed. Kind of in the area. Haven't fished here for a while. Very shallow. Still got the boat running. Still trying to see, I got bites already. More than likely the butterfish or blowfish. Whoop. Yeah, the bait's gone from the top. So I'll just use the one hook. Ooh, bit of curry. What have I got here? Oh, yep, butterfish and and a skippy. All right. Not the intended species. And go back. Skippy's come off. Have a look at him. It's a nice fish. You can go back too. Little trevally. Fish on. Whoa. Looks good. It's a target species. Oh, it is too. Or as well. That's double kg whiting. Now they're not monsters, but I think my old spot delivers. You beauty. So that's exactly what I was looking for. Oh, and that's a bit of tension there. Double kg. Just trying to memorise the spot. This is my market. So there we go. It's going to calm him down. Measure him up. He's definitely size. It's 2 of them, both of them are size. They've got to be 30. Yeah, that's 37 centimetres. So that is just awesome. Just what the doctor ordered. This one's a bit small, but I'll take him because he's a legal fish. Who knows what I'll catch today. Measure him up again. Yeah, so he's definitely legal. Yeah, beauty. 2 in 1 hit. And I just knew I'd catch a couple here in this area. My hands are all gooey and slimy. Trying to get this bloodworm imitation down the hook. Pretty awesome. I'm actually going to cast it out. So you got the sand and the weed. Here we go again. Good fish, maybe. Oh, yeah, right. Good old rescue bill. Hope everything's all right. Well, this has got to be butterfly trumpeter. That's all right. Fish on, butterfish, I reckon. Butterfish and butterfish. Whoa! Getting gnarly and choppy. So my hairline's taken off for calamari, and I think there's one here too. Bit of tension there. Do one at a time. Yep. So I'm glad I had the hand line out. There's a good fine specimen there. Beautiful. Thought I had tension on this one. I do. So I got a double. Doesn't know he's hooked up yet. There he is. Yep. Oh, and he's off. Oh, he's off. I should have. He'll come back. But that's a good one. Can't complain. Woo. No matter how many calamari you catch, that one you lose, it's always, it hurts, but defeated. Put this over here, put it on loose, drag. Hand line is here too. If there's any calamari, I'll see the line go overboard. Let's look after this fine specimen. And he's angry. That's what happens when they get out of the water. When I disturbed him, he goes all red and he's pissed off. And I've stopped going for fish because I'm in a bit of a weedy area. And generally you get a lot of the butterfish and whatnot there, so I don't want to waste my bait. Get a few calamari on board. Lovely. Right, so the hand line did it again. I just saw the line tumble over the edge of the boat. It's a small one. Again, I don't think he knows it's hooked up. But that's fine. I know he's hooked up. This is a pile of weed. He actually took a lot of string. It's coming around. Oh, there he is. Yeah, so now he knows it's hooked up. He went into reverse. It's a real small one. Handline is very effective for calamari fishing. A bit primitive, but all the professionals, they all use handlines. Lovely. Thanks, mate. You made me a professional. That is just brilliant. Go again, handline. Bit awkward because it's rocking the boat. Just right up the excess line because you don't want to tangle over it. Just trying to use some generous baits. Hopefully those butterfish won't go for it. Yeah, so right here on the edge of the weed and the sand. Got a bit of a tangle. It's good. More butterfish. Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick vid. I've got my target species, target fish tucker. Two nice King George Whitings. It was pretty quick, over and done with very quickly, and 3 fine specimens of this calamari. Anyway, as per usual, I'll be going home and be doing a cook up. I think I know exactly how I'm going to cook these guys up. See ya home for the cook up. You beauty. Absolutely fantastic. Salad. What else can we get? Tomatoes not quite ready. Isn't here doing it right. But these cherry tomatoes definitely did that for today's cook up. There you go, you can actually cut that off. Cut these ones off. Look at that. Beautiful bounty. Right, that's it for the cook up. Minus the salad, but zucchini and cherry tomatoes. Let's go and clean the fish. Alrighty, so here's the catch from South Mole. Nice, 2 King George whiting, and I got the squid. I think I caught another one, but just for the sake of the cook up, already got the veggies ready. In fact, I'm going to be doing the cook up at my sister's house, so I'm just going to prep it all up. I'm going to scale all the fish first, and then just fillet them. So, get the scales out. I'm going to leave the skin on. Yeah, I prefer fish with the skin on because it is part of the package, really. Why waste the fish? There you have it. Just going to trim all this, and then we'll see you home. I'll sit this home for the cook up. Bush chooks are back.
He never sold this.
Yes, he has.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he has.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
In
has.
Yeah.
This one's just for eating.
Oh, look at
I can hear a bell going off.
that. Whew. Looks like a starfish.
Washing machine, Nicholas? Yes.
The royal pizza.
Okay.
Wow. So that is the King George whiting pizza. Got to give that a shot.
Oh my God, it was so good.
Your cats are going
All right, let's have a look.
Something of theirs there, like a little basket.
King George whiting. Compliments to the chef.
Maybe they've got some of their toys or something.
Give this a crack. I didn't cook it. I caught it.
Don't wash it. Have you got an old t-shirt or something?
Yeah.
Put it there so that way they've got your smell. Because
How is
otherwise,
it?
And I ate it.
out ready. You sent to everyone.
I saw, I conquered, and blah blah blah. Anyway, that was fantastic. King George whiting on the pizza. Well done, James. Beautiful.
Lion King was on
Lovely.
last night. I made the pizza.
See you next time. Don Petite. Remember Billy?
Oh.
You going, Billy?
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.